Good morning, students. In this period, I am going to solve your problem. The problems have been asked from exercise 1.1. Question number 13. In this question, you are asked to find the value of the following using distributivity. Find the value of the following using distributivity. VT. The question is 7 by 5 into minus 3 by 12 bracket close plus 7 by 5 into 5 by 12. We know that if A and B are two integers, then A into B plus C is equal to AB plus BC. According to the rules of distribution, so we can write, at first we take common 7 by 5 is in both sides, so we take common 7 by 5 and write is equal to 7 by 5 into 12 minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 7 by 5 into 2 by 12 is equal to 7 by 30. The answer will be 7 by 30 answer. Minus 3 by 12 plus 7 by 5 into 5 by 12. Here side 7 by 5 is common. From the left and right side of plus. So we take common 7 by 5. Taking common, we write minus 3 by 12 plus 5 by 12. And adding minus 3 by 12 and 5 by 12, we get 2 by 12. Here dividing 12 by 2, 1 by 6. So the answer is 7 by 30. 17. In question number 17, find the values of the following using appropriate properties. Find 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. Here the problem is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 into 3 by minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 7 into 5 by 5 minus 1 by 14. Here 5 cancel is equal to minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 is equal to 14 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 4 by 14 is we are given 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. Here we see that minus 3 by 7 is common from both terms. So so we take common minus 3 by 7. We write 2 by 5 and from minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5 we take common minus 3 by 7. So we write plus sign 3 by 5 minus 1 by 14 is equal to minus 3 by 7 into adding 2 by 5 and 3 by 5 minus 1 by 14 is equal to minus 3 by 7 into 3 plus 2 5 by 5 minus 1 by 14 is equal to 5 cancel minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 is equal to LCM 14 7 to the 14 2 3 the minus 6 minus 1 minus 7 by 14 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So we use the law of distributive law of multiplication over addition is used in this problem. Distributive law of multiplication over addition rule is used to solve this problem. The answer is minus 1 by 2. In this period, I am going to solve problems of exercise 1.2. Question number 2.1 is problem. So I am going to solve. Here we see the number line. We see that all parts all parts on the line, we see that all parts are divided into 12. So, the first number A, here we see that 0 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, B, C, and 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5, 11 by 5, 12 by 5. Here 0 and 1 is divided into 5 parts. 0 and 1 is divided into 5 parts. 1 and 2 is also divided into 5 parts. 2 and 3 is also divided into 5 parts. So first part A will represent 1 by 5. First point 0 will be 0 by 5, means 0, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is equal to 1. 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So A will represent 1 by 5. A will represent 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, and B will represent 4 by 5, or C will be 5 by 5, because 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So C will represent 1. After that, 1 and 2 is also divided into 5 parts. So the next number will represent 6 by 5, 7 by 5, and D will represent 8 by 5, and E will represent 9 by 5, and we see that 10 by 5 is equal to 2, and 11 by 5, 12 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, 15 by 5 is equal to 3. We take a number line and we divide 0 to 1 into 5 parts, and 1 and 2 is divided into 5 parts, and 2 and 3 is also divided into 5 parts. So first part will be 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, and B will represent 4 by 5, and C will represent 5 by 5 is equal to 1. Also next point 6 by 5, 7 by 5, D will represent 8 by 5, E will represent 9 by 5, and 10 by 5 will represent 2. So in this way we represent the unknown number on the number line. Two. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Here we take a number line and we put points 1, 2, 3 and so on. Also we divide 0 and 1 into 5 parts and we divide 1 and 2 into 5 parts. We have to find the 5 rational numbers between smaller than 2. हमें 5 परमेय संख्या ज्ञात करना है जो कि 2 से छोटा है। यहाँ पर प्रत्येक भाग 5 पर 0 और 1 5 भाग में बटा हुआ है और 1 और 2 भी 5 भाग में बटा हुआ है। तो फर्स्ट पार्ट विल बी 1/5, टू बाय 5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. So the 5 rational numbers. So the 5 rational numbers smaller than 2 are 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5 and 5/5. All rational numbers are smaller than 2. So if you have to ask rational numbers between rational numbers smaller than 2, you can write these numbers 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5 and 5/5. All are smaller than 2. So the answer, this is your answer. और 8वां भाग ले 4 अब 8